All right. Good morning. It's a beautiful Baja bound kind of a day, and we are headed to the Baja 1K this morning. We're headed to Estero Beach down in Mexico, prepping for the Baja 1000. Again, chasing for Team Matlock, and it's just going to be an epic weekend. Let's hope there's no issues this weekend. Let's hope it's a good, safe weekend for all racers involved. And it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Sun hasn't even come up over our mountains down here in San Diego. But man, Thursday morning, Baja bound today. Hitting this corner right here at about 60 miles an hour. Hold it. There it is. Yeah, buddy. All right, we got a long freaking drive. And we're freaking out of here. Let's do it, Baja. There's that beautiful Baja bound sun right there. Ooh, nice and warm. Last year was freezing down in Baja. Ice cold in the mornings. Let's hope no rain, no cold, no none of that. We don't like cold weather. Working on cars in the freezing cold, fingers numb, hands numb, can't feel crap, especially when you cut them. Son of a bee. That sun feels good.
Because
all right, 2 minutes in and we're pulled over in Baja. 2 minutes into the border, we're pulled over already. I don't know if we can see the lights here, but helicopter.
Not the helicopter.
Boys are doing good. All right, we're in room 131 here at Estero Beach. Boom, pretty unlocked. Let's take a look at the room here. All right, we got a nice pool view. Not bad. And we got our swag bag from the race team. It's freaking awesome Yokohama bag from OGO. Boom. All kinds of goodies up in this sucker. Let's see here. Let's see what's in the bag. Oh, baby. Look at all this. Masks. You know the times we're in. A couple nice hats. Race shirts, new race shirts for the year. Nice Polaris jacket. Look at that sucker. Nice. From Troy Lee. All kinds of cool t-shirts and look at that. Nice Yokohama t-shirt. Troy Lee Designs t-shirt. And all the new race shirts. Ooh, look at that. Factory Polaris button-up. All kinds of just t-shirts for days. Bam, baby. Freaking killer. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Greatly appreciated. More hats than I can do with, but we'll take them. right, so we're down here in Baja in Estero Beach. That's the chase truck. I'll be tracing the trace rates in. So yeah, the chase truck I'll be chasing in with the old new XP on there in case anything goes south. We will be chasing and following to pick up the car and tow it out of the track with that. So pretty cool setup. So the old chase truck, the old 6-liter diesel with the XP on it, and all HCR suspension, pretty freaking dialed. We got a beautiful sunset here in Estero Beach. We got Scanlon Motorsports over here. We got Shock Therapy Motorsports over there in the corner. All right, I just heard something start up over here. There's the unicorn. Check her out down here at Estero Beach. The old elusive unicorn. Let's see if we can get a up close look. All right, good morning. It's race day for the 2020 Baja 1000. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We just recently had our pit meeting and just going over all the notes that they've taken for the Baja 1000, all our fuel stops, all our visual checkpoints, everything. There's so much. Let me show you guys our pit book and what we deal with. So we'll be cruising in the truck, and here's the pit book. Here's the course for the 2020 Baja 1000. Pretty freaking awesome. So basically what we're going to be doing is driving down the whole coastline all the way down to here, and then we're going to drive all the way back up and around the top, all the way this way, and then all the way back down, all the way down to here, where then we're going to chase all the way back up, do some pit stops up here, pit stops over here, and then hopefully finish right over here. So down this way, back up, over, down, back up, across, and finish right over here. But these are the notes. This is like just insane stuff. Just so many notes, so much information that they do in order to get ready for the Baja 1000. We got our energy for the next 30 hours ish. We got a bunch in this bag, bunch in the cooler. Bring extra clothes. It's going to be cold in the morning, so we got jackets, extra t-shirts, radios, GPS units, just a whole gamut of things that it takes to finish the Baja. That's going to be my co-driver today, Jeff over there. What's up, buddy? So that's my co-dog today in the old chase truck. We'll be splitting driving duties today. Pre-runners on deck, field ready to rock and roll. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Headed to the start line. Woo! All right, so they're headed to the start line. We're headed to our first pit, so let's get on the freaking road. We're gonna be up for the next 36 hours, drinking 30 monsters. A monster an hour will keep us energized, and caffeine pills for the co-pilots. So it's freaking, why do we do this? Why do we do this stuff? Why do we torture ourselves? Drive 1,000 miles literally in one day. We'll drive over 1,000 miles for this stuff. So anyways, follow along in the pit books, like, subscribe to it, and it's gonna be a hell of a journey. All right, really quick, I gotta give a shout out to a couple of guys who sent some toys to give out to the kids down here in Mexico. My buddy Chris G and my buddy Chris C from up north hooked it up, sent us boxes of toys to give out to kids down here in Mexico. I got some toys over here going on Brutus. We got more toys going on the other chase trucks to give out to the kids down here. So thank you dudes for sending that, taking your time, the money, get that sent to me before the Baja 1000. Greatly appreciate it, and the kids greatly appreciate it. Freaking seeing their faces on these toys that they get is pretty freaking epic. Last year was fidget spinners. This year it's all kinds of toys. So freaking awesome. Thanks, guys. Thanksgiving toys out that Chris gave us. We got some little Nets. Right on, he's pumped. With a little one. Yeah, for him. Yeah, all right. Hey, thank you.